back, guys. Got my bro on the boat today. Quick trip on Aquilla. Come back. Man, fishing is a lot tougher today.
Oh, God. These fish are cold.
Yeah, the water temperature has dropped almost like 3 degrees, I think.
Was it?
Just in case. We got a crappie in the live well. We hadn't been filming because it's been horrible. So we might be on a little school of white bass right here. We might have a little white bass session. White bass is in session.
The bite is not even.
Yeah, that's how it was the other day.
It's not even like they'll nip at it and they'll come at it like 2 or 3 times before they commit.
Right. Throw this crankbait. Maybe I can catch one on this little dairy.
You gotta go slow.
Oh yeah, like leave a bow in the line. Yeah, we decided to make a little quick trip for about an hour or two. We got things we got to do today, guys, but well, my bro can't come to Texas and not get on the water. So this is just a short video, guys. Well, we drifted off. We're in 2 foot now. That's probably why. I think you were catching them about 3 or 4, huh?
Look at this bank. It's southward facing.
Southward facing bank, yeah.
It's heating up quicker than the other.
Yep. So we did a video last year on something like that.
Yeah.
Why to fish a southward facing? Oh, dang! What the heck was that? Yeah. Why to fish southward facing bank? Because it's the first bank that the sun hits.
A lot of spawning activity happens in those banks.
Spawning activity, yeah.
What is it? Egg development.
Good one. Hey, that's the one that jumped, bro.
Yeah, it is.
We just saw that little.
Following him up 2, 3
We just saw that little mongrel jump, didn't we?
Man, they're really sucking these things.
I think, honestly, they're gonna hit later today. While it warms up. It's got to warm up, yeah. Huh? I know. We're fixing to leave in another 30 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll make this a little two-part, a little quick fishing trip and hanging out at the ranch.
It's not enough time to do anything, really. Huh?
Yeah, you just come. It's a quick trip, man. Shotgun trips that you can't really plan nothing, dude. Well, you got you a bass, Texas bass for 2021. Huh? 2021 Texas bass. All right, we're gonna call it short fishing trip. What, 5 fish, 2 hours, 2 keepers. We need to throw them back out. We're not taking them.
Here, show them the crappie, dude.
Yeah, check out the crappie. Get it out. You put it on this one?
Put them both on the same one.
I'm trying to get it. Okay. Check out that crappie, guys. How black it is.
Yep, it's a good one.
Mm-hmm. All right, they're going. Quick trip, calling it. Bro down. So, anyways, we probably might have a second part to this little video. So,
you need to clean your bait.
Dude, that bait has been sitting out in the boat.
Look at it.
Yeah, looking shiny. All right, guys, thanks for viewing. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm on the boat today. It's just a horrible day. Post front, we had that front come in yesterday. Bluebird skies, guys. The water is chalky. I don't know, but I'm out. I'm gonna try to see if I can catch anything. Hold on, let me spot lock real quick. All right, so I'm gonna go see if there's some crappie over here. We'll check that out first. Hopefully I can catch a few, get some in the live well, and I might switch over to the bass. It's midday, it's afternoon. So there's some fish right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and anchor out on this point right here in front of me, throw a few casts, see if I can catch some bass, move over to those reeds over there and see if I can pull out a few crappie. So all right guys, let's get to it. Hopefully I catch some today. There's not very many boats on the water. I've only seen 3, so I don't blame people for not coming out, but hey, I'm gonna give it a try. So hang tight guys. And guys, I just missed him off the rocks on a booyah rig. I don't know about this. I'm doing some testing on it. God dang, he hit me hard too. See if we can't get another one right here. That was a reaction bite. Got a lot of these baits that I ended up picking up through Outlet Warehouse. I have to show you guys one day. They come different kinds. Let's sit here and it is called a booyah rig. And that might be it. They might be on the rocks. I haven't picked up a pattern yet. It's something I want to show you guys. I got it rigged up. It looks like a mini Alabama rig, but it's only got one hook. I got it on a 1/8 ounce jig head. I got this little spark shad on it in white. Figures white would do good because of this stained water, but see it. Hopefully they target that. That's a bass. Thought it was a crappie. So I wasn't fighting like no crappie. Ah, this post 12 foot long. It's hard to. I just barely dropped this bait in there. A little crappie magnet. White with chartreuse. I figured it goes good with the water here. Look at that little chunky thing. A little chunky little bass there. Feels cold. Water temp. It's going to be a subtle bite. It was right here in front of me. Dropping it. I mean, I barely touched the water and it fish hit. I thought it was a crappie at first. Alright guys, I came back to the back of the creek. Gave up on the crappie for a little bit. Another little bass. It's going to be tough. I picked up a wake bait. Gary Yamamoto. I decided to come to the back of this creek and I see rock and clay over here. So that bass just came out and nailed that Gary Yamamoto wake bait there. I'm just gonna work my way back, I guess. Let's see, these are still just buck bass, seems like, moving up. Golly, guys, I just got freaking hammered over here. Oh, should have been recording. Every time I go to hit the camera. Gosh. I don't know what it is. Wow. Really that? Dang crappie hit a crankbait. Damn, that's a monster. That is a monster crappie. I thought I had a big old bass. It was way out there in the cast. I'll keep him though. It's weird that he's out there, probably in 6 foot of water. Huh. Maybe I should throw something else over there. Well, if he's there, there's got to be other stuff feeding.
Got him bass for the dry land for the concrete.
Yeah, hold on. I got to fish real quick. Hold on just 1 second.
Okay.
Ah. All right. That's a good one. Dang, give me a second. Anyways, guys, let's see here. There you go, another nice one. Want that red square bill. There you guys, kind of going through a dry spell right now. Look at this water, how low it is, and look at this. I don't know what that is. It's like a rock pile or. Weird. Looks like all these rocks look like a puzzle piece through there. I'm going to run this wake bait over the top of it. Might be something here. I mean, it goes like this. It goes for a little bit. A little bluff or something. Let's see if there ain't no fish over here hanging out. Probably literally get out and stand on top of that. Dang, that's another crappie. On a spark shad. I don't know if he'll keep. Sure measuring. Oh yeah, he'll keep. Well guys, it's been pretty tough today. I got 2 crappie in the box right now. Probably gonna let them go here in a minute. At the end of the day, fishing this this point here. I worked this bank all behind me coming down. Gravel bank. Seeing if there's any bass on the gravel bank spawning, but nothing. Feel all these rocks ticking here. Still can't get a bite. It's been tough. Still chunking this clackin wrap. Well, it's not a clackin wrap. It's the Rapala clackin series. I found it in my arsenal. In a crawl pattern. Figured it'd do good in the stained water. Actually caught a couple of white bass earlier. I just didn't film it. I actually hit that square bill. Got a good one, guys. Got a good one. Get over here. Get over here. I almost called quits, guys. I decided to come hit one more spot. He was over here on this bank, southward facing bank. See what the water temp is over here. 63.4. That's a little chunk there. I'll take it. I will take that one. All right, guys. All right. And he was right over here on these rocks. Ooh, just got nailed again. Yeah, it's crazy. It's calm over here too. All right, guys. Two crappie that I caught today. Some nice ones. But I'm gonna let them go. And there they go. All right, that's gonna be it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and call it. Tried to work this bank over here behind me. Oh, it was a tough day. I mean, we're starting to just get some clouds out, but not really nothing. I mean, bluebird sky, post front, we got a north wind. Yeah, it was a tough day. I managed to pull a few of them, and it was with the this one lure over here. This, hold on, upside down right there. Don't move, don't move. That old Rapala clackin series or clankin series or whatever it was called, clackin wrap, in that red with that green black, kind of a black back, mimicked the craw. Man, that little lure did it today. So I didn't go bust. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna try to get out soon again. Sorry I haven't really been posting any fishing videos, just kind of been busy. But anyways, guys, stay tuned to the next one and we'll catch you on the water.